Welcome to Hawkins and Meyer Outdoors, and on this episode we are getting some deer season prep done.
That's right, we're going to be setting up some hunting blinds, looking for deer sign, and also clearing some shooting lanes. Getting everything ready to go, so y'all stay tuned.
When you're out here doing your deer prep, always be looking for signs of deer. We got a little water hole here they come in down from the field and drink out of. Got a nice little track right there. There's all over here, so good sign for this area. When you go to Walmart or like a hunting store or something like that, you see these giant like camouflaged burlap things. I decided to try something different this year. I went ahead and put some grommets on this and put a couple snaps on here, made a couple windows in it. I'm gonna try to make a deer stand out of this. But it's good material. I mean, it's cheap. I think I paid like $8 for it. We're gonna try it out. See how it goes. We got this thing set up how we want it, blind how we want it done. We put a ridge line on top here, put a nice spreader up here with some paracord to hold up the roof of it. Got a couple windows right here if we can look out. Put some material in front and the back, just some limbs and stuff like that. We got a nice field of view here. And what we thought was, if we don't have time to open this little window or something, or we don't have it open, we're just gonna shoot through it because it's cheap material. We can buy another one. This is a little blind I'm gonna be trying out this year. Haven't really seen it done, but we'll try it out. For the blinds right there, we're gonna try to clear out a little shooting lane right here. Got all these little undergrowth right here and these saplings. Just good to do, you know, before you get into it. Clear some stuff out.
Here's another sign you need to be looking for, especially if you're looking for a buck in the area. It's called a rub. They'll use their antlers and scrape off some bark here to mark their territory. Usually, if you find one, you'll find several in a row here. So, we've got this one. Looks like he's trying to start one here. And another one right here. So, I'll use that to mark the territory. If you're looking for a buck, that's a good sign to look for. Hi, and welcome to my crib. The inside of the blind really doesn't look too bad. I've got a couple chairs here. They're dirty. They need kind of brushed out. Some spider webs on them, but other than that, yeah, really not so bad. There's tons of bugs in here. Nothing a thermocell can't handle though. Now one thing you do want to do when you have your blind, you want to keep as many of your windows closed as possible. You want it as dark as you can get it in here. So when I'm hunting, I'll probably close this window and maybe the window over here. The deer generally just come out in front, so that's how I'll keep it when I'm hunting. When it's dark, it's harder for the deer to see. So, but yeah, I'm not too bad inside here. I might clean out some leaves, and that's about it. Clean these chairs up. We got ourselves a hunting spot. Not good, folks. Not good. Another hunting blind and another hole in a hunting blind. Had a branch fall down and it ripped this blind. So I'm gonna have to make another patch and tape it up. Again, let this be your Hawkins and Meyer Outdoors pro tip of the day. When you're done with your hunting blinds for the season, take the 5 minutes it takes to pack them up and head them back into cover. Don't leave them up year round. They're not meant for that. So we're gonna patch this up and call it a day. Measure it up to patch this hole.
There was.
So I don't think if I keep that leaf. And unfortunately, I've got plenty of these camo materials because I've left too many a ground blind out, too many of seasons. The particular one that I'm using as a patch got washed away in a flood one year. Take your ground blinds in after you're done using them. That's the sign you're looking for if you're looking for a big buck. Well, I guess any buck. Doesn't have to be big, but it's called a scrape. They'll paw at the ground, and usually they'll have like a branch. They'll put some of their scent on. This marks their territory. This buck's saying this is his domain right here. There'll be usually a few of them in line, just like the rubs.
Well, thanks for coming along with us today. Showed you a little footage of us putting up my blind this year. Gonna try that out. Showed you a few tracks that we found.
Yeah, and went through and repaired my blinds. It shouldn't have been broken in the first place if I'd been so lazy last year. But it should be a pretty good season this year, shouldn't it?
Yeah. We're definitely gonna try to take you along through it and try to get a nice, hunting footage. Stuff of that nature.
Yeah, we'd like to get maybe a couple episodes out deer hunting. So
Yeah.
hang in there with us.
Yeah. But like, comment, subscribe. Thank you all again for everything. Y'all have a good one.